This is it. I went to my friend's cars. I had all those, and I repaired them, and everything go back together. And she running like brand new. Only tire light on. She runs good. We got my boy. She running like a baby right now, man. This is how she goes, running. This is crazy. Easy fix. That's all you need. The key don't respond, your dashboard, your key lock. Just change those 5 of those. Those 2 on the passenger side, those 3 on the driver's side next to your feet. You replace them, everything else working. When I'm telling you this thing, it wasn't running. The owner said the car don't start, don't drive. My seat wasn't working. Now they working. It's just amazing, you get what I'm saying? I changed this right here. This is where the 2 small ones going on that side. And she running. Shutting her up. Take your key. Put it back in. And start right up. No light, nothing. Easy fix.